Well, welcome to week 5. Here we are at midterms. So this week, week 5, you do have the final Excel project, and it has to do with payroll. Um, so you actually have those formulas to work with. To look at payroll, it's for a catering company, and you'll be working with the file here to do that, completing numbers 1 to 18. Again, if you have a different version of the software or a Mac, just get as close as you can to the colors. Just make it look professional, and we'll go from there. I can't account for all the differences in the versions, so just do what looks best and what is sound to do that. So thank you for keeping up on all that. If you have fallen behind it all, please get everything caught up this week. The end will come quickly, and then if you've also looked through, instead of a final, you do have a final project, so that will use both Excel and Word in it. So you might want to take a look at that. I'll talk more about that in the next week or two. The other thing is, please work carefully. Again, if your numbers are sound and maybe you've missed or changed one number that you shouldn't have, I don't really take off, but it's when you've got a larger error that I will take points off, and everything's listed if you view that checklist. Or view the rubric, whatever it says on your side, you can see each piece of the grading. And I don't comment too much because it's all kind of there. But if you ever have any other questions, or you need me to send you a formula or an answer key after you've completed something, I'm happy to do that. Some of these formulas do get a little intense, and so I just want to make sure you get what is accurate, and so that you can see that. Usually you're just a snitch off, and it's not a big deal, but this is a good practice to get through, because when you're working with real money and real people, you don't want to do that. So again, let me know anything you need. Last week of Excel exercises, um, but good time to get caught up. But if you do need anything, just let me know. I get to email usually by the next day, and happy to meet more if we need to. Take care. Have a good week.